I'm gonna watch TV.
Here's the story of a lovely elephant who was singing outside of aliens electrons. All of them had negative charges on microterms, but they wanted more and more. Here's the story of an elephant named Patient who was born with just one valence electron. There was one valence electron. He was a killer because he was all alone. Till that one day when they came in contact, and they knew that they would be a toxic bond. That these electrons must somehow bond covalently. That's the way we all became the hydrogen fluoride compound. The hydrogen fluoride compound. The hydrogen fluoride compound. That's the way we became the hydrogen fluoride compound.
Hydrogen fluoride compound? Old.
Hello everyone, I'm Gertrude Smith. Today's topic is ionic and covalent bonds. Now, elements bond together because they want a full shell of valence electrons. Valence electrons are the electrons on the outside. That's valence electrons. Now, an ionic bond is when they give or take electrons to put in their outer shells so that everybody has a full outer shell. They all want 8 electrons except for hydrogen and helium. So, if they have 1, 2, 3 valence electrons, then in an ionic bond, they will give electrons. 4 can go either way, and 5 or more, they will take electrons, except for the noble gases. They only have 8 valence electrons. Okay, now covalent bonds is when they share electrons. So they don't give, they don't take, they share. For example, in hydrogen fluoride, my favorite bonds, they're sharing electrons. Do you see it? So, that wraps up today's segment of the Gertrude Smith Show.
Please interrupt the following. We have an urgent warning. There seems to be an electron bandit on the loose. He's stealing electrons and he needs 2 more. Things such as this have been caught on security camera.
Did I trick you? There's no electron bandit on the loose, but that was an example of ionic bonding.
Ew, the Gertrude Smith Show? Nerdy.
Are you tired of too many electrons? Or maybe not enough? New Dr. Octet ionic bonding can solve that problem for you.
Hi, I'm potassium, and I used to have 1 electron in my outermost shell. Then I called Dr. Octet, and he took that 1 away and gave it to bromide. Now I'm as happy as can be.
Hi, I'm bromide, and I used to be short an electron. So I called Dr. Octet, and he matched me up with someone right away. Potassium! Now I have the perfect amount of valence electrons. Thanks, Dr. Octet.
Hello, I'm Dr. Octet, and with my new procedure, if you have too many or not enough valence electrons, I can ionically bond you so that you have the perfect amount. Because we all know Octet's rule. Every element wants a full shell of outermost electrons. So just give me a call today at 1-800-Dr. Octet and I can bond you.
Welcome to the wedding channel that satisfies all your wedding needs.
We're here at the wedding of hydrogen and fluorine, where in a couple minutes They will be covalently bonded and have 8 electrons together. And we're here with Florine, interviewing her before her wedding. Florine, how do you feel?
I feel wonderful. I just can't wait to be covalently bonded with such a great man.
And how do you feel about sharing your electrons?
I'm a little shaky about it, but I'm going to have 8 electrons. I can't wait.
Now, tell us a little bit about your soon-to-be bondee, Hydrogen.
Well, you see, he just, I don't know, I just feel so attracted to him. He has 1 electron and I have 7, and he's just such a nice, mean, actually, person. He's just so toxic, and he kills people all the time. I just think it's so manly.
And we're here with Hydrogen for the bonding. Hydrogen, how do you feel?
Toxic.
Okay, and how do you feel about sharing your electron?
I'm very excited to share my electron because I want to make her happy. She'll have 8 and I'll have 2, which will make me extremely happy because we'll be sharing.
Okay, and can you just give us a brief description of Florine?
Florine is very reactive and she can't exist without me, so it makes me feel very important in her life.
Alright, thank you. And we're here at the wedding of Hydrogen and Florine. You may now come in contact with the bride. Now look at that compound. It looks as if all of their properties have changed.
And we're here with Sodium. Sodium, how do you feel about the bonding of Florine and Hydrogen?
Well, I don't feel like I support it because Florine just isn't herself anymore. It seems as if nothing about her is the same. Like, all her properties have changed or something, and I really don't support this bond.